Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to lock the Photos app on iPhone with a different password. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. In the search bar, type Ask for Input and select it. Change the input type from text to number. In the prompt section, type Enter Password to open app and tap Done. Next, search for If and add it. Enter your desired passcode as the condition. After that, search for Open App and select Photos from the list. Drag and place this under the If section. Then search for Show Alert, set the text to Incorrect Password, and place it under Otherwise. Now go to the App Store, search Photos, take a screenshot of the icon, and crop it. Return to Shortcuts, tap Share. Select Add to Home Screen, rename it, and choose the screenshot as the icon. Finally, remove the original Photos app from your home screen. Now, tapping your shortcut will ask for the password before opening Photos. So that's basically how you can lock the Photos app on iPhone with a different password. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.